Are you worried about your financial future? Do you find yourself stressed out when it comes to managing your money, paying bills, or planning for the future? You're not alone. Many people feel overwhelmed by their finances, but the good news is that you can take control. It all starts with understanding the basics of financial literacy. Let's master financial literacy together. By learning the fundamental principles of managing money, you can make informed decisions that will benefit you in the long run. Whether it's budgeting, saving, investing, or understanding financial products, gaining this knowledge is crucial. Financial literacy isn't just about making money, it's about knowing how to manage it wisely. This includes understanding how to save effectively, invest in opportunities that grow your wealth, and make smart financial decisions that align with your goals. It's about knowing how to save, invest, and make smart financial decisions. Imagine having the confidence to navigate your financial landscape, knowing that every decision you make is a step towards a secure and prosperous future. Imagine understanding credit scores, interest rates, and compound interest. These are the keys to unlocking your financial potential. With this knowledge, you can improve your credit score, choose the best financial products, and harness the power of compound interest to grow your savings exponentially. Why is it important? Simple. Financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions. It gives you the tools to avoid common pitfalls and take advantage of opportunities that can enhance your financial well-being. Without it, you might end up deep in debt or unprepared for retirement. The lack of financial knowledge can lead to poor decisions, resulting in high-interest debt, insufficient savings, and a lack of preparedness for life's unexpected events. But with it, you can set goals, plan for emergencies, and make informed investments. Financial literacy allows you to create a solid financial plan, set achievable goals, and build an emergency fund to protect against unforeseen circumstances. Financial literacy doesn't just benefit you. It has a ripple effect that extends to your family, community, and even the broader economy. When individuals are financially literate, they can contribute to a more stable and prosperous society. It strengthens communities and boosts economies. Informed individuals make better financial choices, which leads to stronger communities and a more robust economy. Small businesses thrive, families achieve financial security, and the overall quality of life improves. Informed people make better choices, and that's a win for everyone. When you understand how to manage your money, you can avoid financial pitfalls, seize opportunities, and celebrate milestones that bring you closer to your financial goals. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, becoming financially literate is essential. No matter where you are on your financial journey, there's always more to learn. By continuously educating yourself, you can adapt to changing financial landscapes and make decisions that support your long-term success. Take control of your financial future, make wise choices, and achieve your goals. With the right knowledge and tools, you can take charge of your financial destiny, make informed decisions, and reach the milestones that matter most to you. Your brighter financial future starts today. Every step you take towards financial literacy brings you closer to a future filled with possibilities and security. Embrace the journey and watch as your financial confidence grows. Ready to get started? Let's do this! The path to financial literacy is a rewarding one, and it begins with a single step. Are you ready to embark on this journey? Let's take that step together and unlock the door to your financial success.